this is like third day hair, or no, is it like second day hair? I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do with my hair, but I just know that I should curl it, and that's what we're gonna do. Okay, I am trying to figure out how to fix my hair. I've always seen this girl. This girl always has 2 freaking pigtails or something like that. No, how does she do it? Good little girl. Okay, we're gonna fix my hair later. We're gonna worry about that later because I don't know what to do about that. Right now, we're gonna start makeup. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer. And we're gonna use this today. Okay, we're done with primer. I'm gonna let that set for a bit and then I'll be right back. Guys, I did it! This time with hair ties. They look cute! Alright, hair is done. And then we got these little long pieces. I don't know, I might recurl it. Oh god, it's itching. Like, now that I'm here, I want to do it. But we'll see what happens. We'll see what I do. I'm using the Fenty Beauty foundation. Great stuff. If you don't have Fenty, you need to go get her foundation. It's amazing. Alright, we are done with foundation. That quick. So cool, so pretty. Anyways, I think we'll probably do like a little bit of concealing. Oh yeah, stooge. Okay, I used the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, if you're wondering. And then next, I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild contour stick. Oh, this is gonna be fun and exciting. I'm gonna be using the Essence, the blush, and this one is 10, number 10, befitting. I do random makeup. I'm trying to look pretty. I'm trying to look my best. And this is, ooh, oh my god. Girl, this is long. Okay, that's good. So I'm gonna put my blush up here. Ooh. That looks really nice. Ooh, that's pretty. Anyways, I'm gonna grab a lighter shade. I saw a TikTok on this. So we're gonna try it and see how the frick this goes. Okay, I look. Alright, we're gonna stop there and I'm just gonna do my nose. What are we doing? I forgot to put powder on. I think it looks great with that powder because, you know, it's 19. You know, I look good. And then I'm gonna take this brown. Oh, I love the shade of this brown. It's so beautiful. I think that's better. Okay, and now we're gonna do a shimmer because I love our shimmers. I'm gonna lick it. It's called Sun Deck Chillin'. This one's called Sandbar. That's my favorite. That's so cute. Anyways. Oh, wait, hold on. What are we gonna do? Okay, it's whatever. We're gonna put it right here. We're gonna do some more, and we're gonna do the other side. Hey. Alright, we're done with that. Now we're gonna move on to eyeliner. Yay! Okay, I messed up on that. Or I'll just do my eyeliner off camera. That'll be right. Alright, we're doing mascara next. Telescope it. Get it? You need it. It's the best. If you ain't got it, you need it. Ooh. 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 Oh no. Alright, I'm gonna finish up and then I'm gonna be back. So, bye. Oh my goodness. Alright. This is the finished product. What it looks like. It looks so gorgeous. Okay. Alright guys, this is my finished look. This is everything. Oh my goodness. It just looks so good. I guess now I know what to wear when I go out. It's definitely gonna be this. This is from Kataya once again. And now I know how to do my hair because I was like, cute. Looks great. Looks amazing. I'm really happy with this outcome. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I wish you a very good night or a good morning, whatever time of day it is for you. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Ladies and gentlemen,
I don't understand why females hate me so much. Like, first of all, I don't even got an ass. How you gonna let a bitch with no ass make you mad?